Huawei and Darren have joined forces to launch the Huawei Smart Selection Darren Smart Desk Lamp 3 Pro, a revolutionary addition to the world of smart lighting. This lamp combines Huawei's technological prowess with Darren's appearance finesse to create an innovative and versatile lighting solution for modern homes and offices. The Huawei Smart Selection Darren Smart Desk Lamp 3 Pro boasts a sleek and minimalist appearance that seamlessly blends into various home settings. Crafted from eco-friendly ABS material, this lamp reflects a commitment to environmental standards while ensuring durability and longevity. Its dimensions, approximately 210 by 480 by 250 mm, make it suitable for a range of spaces, from compact apartments to spacious offices. One of the standout features of this smart desk lamp is its patented spring pivot joints, which enable an exceptional range of adjustments. The lamp head can be tilted up to 60 degrees forward or backward, rotated up to 160 degrees upward or downward, and swiveled up to 170 degrees left or right. This exceptional adaptability allows users to personalize their lighting angles based on their height and posture, ensuring optimal lighting conditions for any task. Additionally, the lamp's foldable appearance makes it highly space-efficient, easily storable when not in use. Stability and security are ensured by the lamp's robust base, which firmly anchors it to any surface. The touch-sensitive control panel on the lamp's body offers an intuitive interface for users. With buttons for power, reading modes, screen reading, light formulas, and night light, as well as a brightness adjustment slider, users have complete control over their lighting environment. Various operations such as light control, dimming, activating the night light, and network setup can be performed through short presses, long presses, and swipes on this interface. The highlight of the Huawei Smart Selection Darren Smart Desk Lamp 3 Pro is its third-generation SSDT stereoscopic light technology. Unlike its predecessors, this iteration employs 96 lamp beads for side emission. This groundbreaking approach results in a 100% increase in light coverage, a 50% reduction in shadowy areas, and a 1.2 times boost in lighting uniformity. This technology ensures even and consistent lighting for desks as long as 1.2 meters, making it ideal for various tasks and activities. Taking smart lighting to the next level, the lamp introduces smart eye management. Users can set rest reminders and receive reports on their lighting usage, allowing them to actively monitor their eye health. The lamp's intelligent photosensitivity feature enables it to detect changes in room lighting and automatically adjust its brightness, optimizing the lighting experience in real time. Furthermore, the Huawei Smart Selection Darren Smart Desk Lamp 3 Pro seamlessly integrates with the smart home ecosystem. With instant smartphone connectivity and compatibility with other smart devices, it elevates the smart home experience. Interactive touch controls and one-touch smart connection are available, exclusive to smartphones equipped with Harmony OS 2.0.0 and later versions, showcasing Huawei's commitment to seamless integration and innovation. Price of 429 yuan or $58 upon its launch, Huawei's commitment to providing an exceptional user experience is evident in the lamp's introductory offer for public testing. For a limited time, customers have the opportunity to acquire the Huawei Smart Selection Darren Smart Desk Lamp 3 Pro at the special price of just 329 yuan or $45, making it an incredibly enticing proposition for those looking to upgrade their lighting solutions. In conclusion, the Huawei Smart Selection Darren Smart Desk Lamp 3 Pro is a fusion of style, functionality, and intelligence. From its sleek appearance and versatile adjustments to its cutting-edge SSDT technology and smart features, this lamp represents the pinnacle of modern lighting solutions. Huawei and Darren's collaboration has resulted in a product that not only illuminates spaces, but also enhances the way we interact with light, prioritize eye health, and integrate technology into our lives. If you have any questions, I will wait for them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.